Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I know it's been like forever, but I've been extremely busy with work, and today is Christmas Day. I decided to record a YouTube video after having a meal with my family. So in today's video, I will be talking about my 10-inch bob wig from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. So guys, it's been forever since I did a hair review, and this hair is absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. It's very flowy. I usually have extremely long hair when I come on camera, but in today's video I will be talking about this bob wig. This is my everyday bob wig that I wear going to the gym, doing errands, and I decided to wear it on Christmas Day. So guys, this is raw Indian hair. This hair was basically dyed in mahogany / Sinai brown mixture, and I wasn't really feeling the look because it's really short bob, so I decided to add dark brown hair color to it, and this is the effect that I got. Beautiful natural black color, and it's from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I will leave the website in the description box down below, and also do not forget, you always have my 10% coupon code, which is ATIVELT10. Check the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique out. Use my code ATIVELT20 for 20% off. I have been reviewing the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique for a very long time. It's my go-to. Guys, check it out. You will love what you see. So I hope this video was what you thought it would be. I hope this video is perfect because it's been a while since I came on camera and kind of feel like I've lost my touch. But guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. This is a very short bob wig. I just decided to come on camera. If you're looking for a short bob wig, good quality hair that will last a couple of years, raw Indian hair, raw Vietnamese hair, raw Cambodian hair, go to the rawvirginhairboutique.com and use my coupon code ATIVELT20 for 20% off your entire purchase. Hope to see you soon. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.